Hello there. In the previous video we learned that what is dropshipping. Here, we are going to learn how to start dropshipping by stepwise.
Choose a niche. What products or services do you want to sell? What are you passionate about? Niche down as much as possible to find a target audience that is hungry for your products or services. Do competitive research. What other dropshipping businesses are selling in your niche? What are their prices? What are their marketing strategies? This will help you understand the market and what you need to do to be successful. Find a supplier. This is one of the most important steps in starting a dropshipping business. You need to find a supplier that can provide you with high-quality products at a competitive price. There are many dropshipping suppliers out there, so take your time to find the right one for you. Build your online store. You can use a dropshipping platform like Shopify or WooCommerce to build your online store. These platforms make it easy to set up an online store and start selling your products. Market your dropshipping business. Once you have your online store up and running, you need to start marketing your business. There are many ways to market a dropshipping business, such as search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, and email marketing. Provide excellent customer service. This is essential for any dropshipping business. You need to make sure that your customers are happy with their purchases and that they have a positive experience with your business. Here are some additional tips for starting a dropshipping business. Do your research. Before you start a dropshipping business, it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved. Dropshipping can be a great way to start an online business, but it's important to do it right. Start small. Don't try to do too much too soon. Start with a small product line and a limited marketing budget. Once you get your feet wet, you can then expand your business. Be patient. It takes time to build a successful dropshipping business. Don't expect to get rich overnight. Just keep working hard and you will eventually achieve your goals. I hope this helps.